Today I am going to explain about experiment metacentric height. Metacentric height, it is the distance between metacenter and center of gravity. This term is the measurement of static stability of ships. Whenever ships in ocean, boats in rivers, so static stability is very important to measure, to calculate before their operations to be started. So this is a small scale ship model experiment in which we can assume this part as a ship and this as a pond or ocean. In this, water is filled up. These are small weights which we can make hang from any point. So till now it is stable. First of all, we will put this ship in the water and we will measure the increase of the level of water after stability. By measuring the distance, height increased of water level, we can calculate by multiplying that increased height to the cross-sectional area of this water, we will get the volume displaced of water because of immersion of ship. This is the volume displaced by ship, and if we multiply that volume to the weight density of water, we will get weight of the water displaced. That will be equal to buoyancy force applied on this ship. Buoyancy force will be equal and in opposite direction to the gravitational force of this ship. That's why this ship will be balanced, will be in balanced situation, will be in equilibrium, and it will not completely immersed in water. Now we have to calculate the stability feature of this ship. Higher the metacentric height, higher the chances of stability. Lower the metacentric height, lower the chances of stability. So in this is the scale of degrees, and in this till now it is in equilibrium condition, and this pointer tells us the reading at 0 degree. When we put some weight to some distance, then it will tilt by some angle. So here is you will see a formula: small w1 x1 minus small w2 x2 divided by capital W into tan theta. I am repeating again: small w1 x1 minus small w2 x2 divided by capital W tan theta. I am explaining each and every term. Small w1 weight from one side, small w2 weight hanging from another side, x1 distance from the center of first side, x2 is distance from the center of second side. Okay, now capital W is the weight of this complete ship, including all these small hanging weights also, and tan theta is the angle of tilting. Now we are doing this experiment in the water for measuring the metacentric height. So you can see here it is in equilibrium condition now, and the pointer is showing 0 degree reading. Now I am putting some weight at a distance of around 2 centimeter or let's say 3 centimeter, some small angle of tilt is you can see here. And if I put another weight from this different side at around 1 centimeter, then you can see the change in this angle. Now we have to measure the weight. This is 100 gram into 4, total 400 gram at this much distance. This is x1, and it is 50 gram into 2 means 100 gram at 1 centimeter. This is W1 x1 and W2 x2. It is the angle theta, and we have measured complete weight of this ship, and we will add weights of these small weights also. That will be value of complete capital W. So after calculating all these values, you will get metacentric height by using this formula W1 x1 minus W2 x2 divided by capital W tan theta. Higher the metacentric height, higher will be the chances of stability of this ship, and less the chances of overturning. I hope you are able to calculate metacentric height by this ship model experiment.